Welcome to Webbook AI Studio Training Video Series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create ebook. Go to the left menu and click on Add eBook Builder. Now click Add New eBook. Enter all required details. Title. You can use AI Writer to create awesome AI-powered contents for your ebook. Add ebook cover. You can use our exclusive eCover Builder to create eCovers for your ebooks. Just click on Enter and your ebook will be generated. You can view your generated ebook. You can also add chapters to your ebook. You can edit or update your ebook. You can delete your ebook. Thanks for watching the video.